Welcome back, 18! SB19 simula ito ka soundcheck in Vancouver on July 26, 2025 came with an extra dose of celebration. Another surprise gender reveal that had 18 cheering even louder. As part of the SVIP experience, one lucky fan got to share their special moment with the boys, turning the pre-show into a heartwarming memory. With LED wristbands flashing and the crowd buzzing, SB19 embraced the reveal with playful energy and genuine joy. It's not the first time they've done this, but each one feels just as magical. Ninong SB strikes again.
Oh, all right. Oh no.
Pakalan po ito, pakalan baby. Second baby. Okay. Okay guys, are you ready to open? Let's open it together. Is it a boy or a girl? Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's alcohol. All right. Okay. Are we ready?
We have to actually turn. Parang beto mo yung Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is me last time to talk about Vancouver.
Kuya ka na! Kuya ka na! Congratulations everyone! Sabay-sabay! 3, 2, 1!
Congratulations!
At dahil dyan, everyone, this is our second song. Please sing and dance with us. This is Dukha. Let's go!